Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Riley Taylor, and this is Patriot Vision for Friday, August 7th. Before we get started today, we want to recognize Jaxon Chrestman for an amazing opportunity.
What's up, Lewisburg? I'm here with Jaxon Chrestman to talk about the Patriot Games. First off, Jaxon, can you explain to us what the Patriot Games are?
So the Patriot Games are a national athletic competition where one guy and one girl from each state is selected to go represent their state. So I was the guy picked for the state of Mississippi.
So what did you do to apply?
So to apply, there was 2 rounds of applications. The first one was brief, it was short. I had to submit a video of myself explaining why I wanted to do it. And then a couple days later, they emailed me back. They said, you're through to round 2. And round 2 was more in depth. So that asked about academic accomplishments, athletic accomplishments, extracurriculars, like community service, just pretty much everything. And then I think 3 weeks later, or the Wednesday before school, they sent me back. They said, hey, congrats, Jaxon, you're the guy from Mississippi.
So where is it held and what kind of competitions are you competing in?
So the games will be in Geneva, Ohio at Spire Academy. And the competitions, from what we know so far, there's 3 days of competitions. The only one they've revealed so far is a 100-meter dash. But I can say that it's stuff like a military obstacle course, a varsity sports circuit, so think basketball, soccer, track, tennis, stuff like that, I suppose. And then a presidential fitness test, so mile, push-up, pull-ups, that type of deal. So not specifically just sports.
What does representing Lewisburg and the state of Mississippi as a whole mean to you?
It means a lot. I love my state. I love my school. And so to be able to go on a national stage and compete and show that the Berg is the best school in the country. So hopefully I can bring a win back for them. But it means a lot. Hopefully I can bring back that money too. 125 G's. If you know, you know. And yeah, I'm going to bring it home for the Berg. Just trust. I got y'all.
Thank you, Jaxon. And make sure to watch Jaxon on the ESPN app and on ESPN on August 9th through 11th and cheer him on as he represents our state.
Doing this for the Berg.
Doing it for the Berg.
Where the Berg at? All right. Make sure that gets in there.
Congratulations, Jaxon, and we can't wait to cheer him on August 9th through 11th in the Patriot Games. Mark your calendars and tell your parents that our open house is on Thursday from 4 to 6. This is a come-and-go event for all grades. Good news, Patriots. Patriot Time is back starting next week. In case you're new here, we have some reminders about what Patriot Time is meant for.
As the first week of school comes to a close, one question remains. What is the purpose of Patriot Time? Well, PV is here to explain. This is our club wall, which is in the hallway of the Commons. You can find any club you need, and week 2 starts on Monday. Make sure you follow these simple rules or face the consequences. For PV, this is Jake Parker.
Superintendent Corey Usselton would like to invite students to apply for Future Civic Leaders and Superintendent Youth Leadership Council. Future Civic Leaders is an organization for current freshmen and sophomores currently enrolled in DeSoto County schools. It is a nonpartisan organization designed to inspire the next generation of community, state, and national leaders by supporting a strong sense of citizenship and patriotism. Applications can be picked up outside room B5 and must be returned by September 1st. The Superintendent Youth Leadership Council is accepting applications for current juniors. SYLC is built around leadership, development through learning principles of government, business, service, and travel. Applications can also be picked up outside room B5 and must be returned by August 21st. If you have questions, you can see Coach Shands in room B5. And finally, Snack Cart starts on Monday, and Meet the Patriots is also Monday at 6 p.m. on the football field. Thanks for watching and have an amazing weekend.
1, 2